Body nice. See I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man I tell her when she go low, say you gonna get me when I'm all low.
What's good? What's good? It's your girl Diva B, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to service your client with box braids, including curly hair. And these are the larger size of box braids. Also, in this video, I'm going to be free shaping the parts. So some of the parts are going to be triangles, some of them are going to be squiggly, however I feel, going with the flow of these parts, okay? I ordered my hair from Trendy Tresses, the curly hair that is. I ordered 5 packs of 20-inch, the river curls, and I only used about 2.5 packs of hair for this specific style. I did not get my braiding hair from this hair company, but I did get the river curls from Trendy Tresses. So the link for Trendy Tresses will be in the description box below. And let's get into this video. Okay, so when I got to this row, I was like, you know what? I don't feel like doing triangle shape anymore, so let's do another different type shape. So that's why I said this style was really like free shaped, because I have all types of shapes in this hairstyle, and it still looks bomb though. So I like the free shape style. Now look how bomb the free shape style look. That looks so good. Okay, so good, so good. So once I braid the braiding hair all the way down, I'm just wrapping it around, and then I'm going to go cut off the loose ends and burn the ends. And that's really how I seal my ends too, doing these type of box braids with the curly hair added to the ends. I just want to take the time out to thank you all again so much for always supporting my channel, always appreciating the gift that I have to showcase to you all. I love you all so very, very much. And you know, I'm very appreciative. Like, I'm gonna do better with posting more videos, you know, but in the meantime, in between time, again, thank you all so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram, because I do post a lot of my work on there as well when I'm not filming for YouTube. So just check me out on my Instagram page. All that information will be down in the description box below. Also, for the river curls, for Trendy Tresses, please check out the description box below as well, for their links to purchase the river curls hair. And guess what, baby? We over 30,000 subscribers. That's what I'm talking about. That's why I love y'all so much. Keep subscribing, keep following, keep commenting, keep supporting, keep showing love. I got y'all. That giveaway is coming up. It's coming up. Mwah. Love y'all so much. Thank y'all.